Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about VoiceAttack, how to create a voice command in order to open an application. So in order to open an application, you need to create a new command. Now make sure you are in your profile. If you don't have a profile, you just have to create one. To create one, you go over here, click this, and create new profile. Once it is created, you pick the profile you created. And in this instances, I have the profile Barney. So let's say I'm in my profile. You go to edit profile, and then you go to new command, and then you say, well, when I say, let's say, I don't know, computer, open, open Word. So basically, you want her to open Word. So you go to Other, and you go to Windows, Run Application. Go over here on the right. Find out where is your WordPad. In my case, it is in Program File, Window X, NT, and Accessory. So just to show you how I got there, click this, click Profile, click, oops, no, that's wait a second. Click Program File over here. Sorry, Window NT over here. Make sure you click Accessory. There we go. And then you should see on the right, because last time I just clicked this over here and I couldn't find the WordPad. That's because I haven't clicked accessory. So click accessory. Boom. Okay, and then click WordPad. Boom. Open. Boom. You can make a test run if you want. It worked. There we go. Because if it doesn't work, then you need to figure out what's going on. So test run is good to do. Click OK. And then you can also make her say something. So we go to sound, say something. Text to speech. Sorry, I was a little bit too fast. I'll show you again. Other, sound, say something with text to speech. There we go. And then you let her say affirmative. Affirmative. Uh, WordPad. WordPad is now officially open. As you can see, I put a comma here because this AI speaks very fast. I want her to take a pause before she complete her sentence. So it's optional. You don't have to do this, but that's how I do it. So, and I click preview.
Affirmative. WordPad is now officially open.
Yeah, that sounds weird. I'll remove that. Also, I have an EQ over here. I'm going to use this EQ over here.
Affirmative. WordPad is now officially open.
Okay, and to know how to use EQ, you gotta go on my other video where I did show how to use EQ, and I will leave the link in the description box below. And then that's it. You click OK, and then you click OK, and you click Apply. Done. Make sure over here it's open, enable, I mean, and you will say what I just wrote, which is computer, open Word. Boom.
Affirmative. WordPad is now officially open.
And there you go. There it is. So now, you just do whatever you want to do. And that's it, guys. So that's how you that's how you voice attack in order to open an application. You can also use it you use it other applications such as video games. So how you do that? New command. You say, I don't know, what game? Open RimWorld. Okay. No, I don't want to open that game because open Origin. Okay. Whoop. Computer. Please open Origin. Okay. And other window run application. Here, gotta find out where Origin is. So I'm gonna click Origin in my taskbar. Origin is over here. Right click, open file location. Now you're gonna see program file 86 Origin. So you go to there, program file 86, and it says Origin. So I'll click O, go straight to Origin here, and then let me see, Origin. There it is. Okay. Open. Boom. I don't want to do a test run because I know it's gonna work. So okay. Boom. And I'm gonna do others and sound. Say something text to speech. Affirmative. 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 Out. The launcher. The launcher origin is now enabled. Commander, I hope you enjoy your game. Whatever. So you can preview.
Affirmative. The launcher origin is now enabled. Commander, I have you enjoy your game.
Fuck. I hope you enjoy your game. Sorry, I didn't mean to say the F word. Sorry about that. I I hope you enjoy your game. Sorry about that.
Affirmative. The launcher origin is now enabled. Commander, I hope you enjoy your game.
You click OK if you're satisfied. I click OK over here. Wait, computer, please open Origin. Okay, there we go. Apply. Done. Here we go. Computer, please open Origin.
Affirmative. The launcher origin is now enabled. Commander, I hope you enjoy your game.
And there it is. So this is how it is. And so yeah, guys, don't forget to close this. Otherwise, it may engage some commands, and you don't want that when you speak, or if it doesn't matter, whatever. So unless you have a command that say please shut down the computer, and then if you say please shut down the computer by mistake, I don't know if you may say that, or if you apply a keybind to that, it may just shut down the computer while you're playing your game. So you don't want that to happen. But why would you do? Why would just don't just don't do that? Just what? Just close this anyway. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. So I want to thank you very much for watching this vid, and yeah, I'll see you in my next vid. Thank you, guys. Cheers.